Does your desktop ever look like mine? Usually I get flying around with projects and then don't take care of my files. One thing you can do is go to File and make a new folder and organize things into folders. So I'm going to click and rename this. Desktop items, maybe it's something I want to deal with later. I'm going to use lasso, so I press and hold on the trackpad or the mouse and drag over top of anything I want to highlight, and I can drag it in the folder. If you're like me, I save documents, downloads, everything to the desktop so I can find them easily and then deal with them later. So that way of making a folder was a 2-finger tap on the trackpad to create new folder. So you've got 2 different ways. So I do suggest organizing your items into folders and then taking the next step and making sure all of your contents are backed up into Google Drive. Let's say one day you come in and your laptop just won't turn on. If it's really dead, we can't retrieve files for you. However, if everything you do is backed up in Google Drive, you don't lose a beat. You hop on a different laptop, you log into Google, and your stuff is there. So Google File Stream is what this used to be called. It's Google Drive now. And if you don't see it, go to your Launchpad and look for Google Drive. Click it from there. You sign in with your Google account. I prefer this method for backing things up because it's faster than going to Google Chrome, going to Google Drive from there, and uploading. So you'll see you've got My Drive and you've got shared drives. Shared drives are those team drives. So I'm just going to take my folders and plop them into My Drive. I could take my contents off my desktop and just put them in the folders I want them on. Again, it's a good idea. I know this is time consuming, but if you do this maybe right before or after report card time, then you're sure you've got things backed up. I can't tell you how many times things have happened to machines and teachers have said, I didn't back my stuff up. We can sometimes help you, but if you have everything in Google, your stuff is never gone. The other places to check are your Documents folder for contents and your Downloads folder for contents. When you're done with your downloads, because they do take up some space, I'm going to press the first one and hold Shift, get the last one, and come on up here to my little gear and say Move to Trash. So it's a very good idea to take a little bit of time and organize your computer and back your contents up.